Hi, this is Ajay Minocha. Before I begin, I would like to request you to kindly like, share and subscribe my channel Money Speaks with AJ. This is a special edition called Moorat Se Moorat Tak. What is happening with the market because of the war is that a lot of shares have corrected, and some of the shares have been gobbled up by institutions and they are sitting on very fancy valuations. I would not like to buy any of those shares like in the defense and auto sector, because if there is a correction going forward, you could incur a big loss. I will avoid that sector. On the other hand, there are so many shares where earning downgrades have been received, and which means these stocks may not move up for at least 1 quarter. So this is the time to accumulate them on an SIP fashion, because if there is a further correction, you will get them at very juicy valuations. If not, buy them even at these rates. Randomly, I'll give you a few names and then I'll get on to some sectors. The shares which come to mind immediately, what I have recommended earlier, which are some of my favorites, are Easy Trip, 42 rupees. It's a no-brainer, huge upside. It's a doubler. Idea I had recommended at 10, it's 13 now. Keep buying. This is a doubler. Once it crosses 15, it enters a very bullish zone. Supposing the market gets worse and you get it at 11, 12, buy more. So I've given you 2 names. Ease My Trip, Idea. Geo Finance is good, and IRB Infra is also extremely good. Now let's get on to some sectors. If I talk of banks, PNB at these valuations is very, very attractive. Just steal it. Buy PNB at current market price, and if it falls, add to your portfolio. In the brokerages, JM Financial has done nothing. It's just fluctuating between 70 and 85, 90, 95 levels. Keep buying JM Financials. RBL Bank is a good buy. Once it turns round the corner, it's a steal. It's good, currently valued. Bandhan is okay. Kotak is also okay, but I prefer RBL in this list. And among the other financials, I think I'll go with Poonawalla FinCorp if it comes down a bit, even now, and Piramal Enterprises. Pharma sector, not doing well. Time to buy for the long term. Piramal Pharma, Sun Pharma, Natco is okay, and I have already told you Suven Pharma. These are good in pharma. IT, I will avoid Infosys. I think Wipro is looking extremely solid, hardly any downside. Tech Mahindra also has run up a bit. I will wait. TCS is a very safe buy. Aptech is extremely good at current valuations. In the chemical sector, we have huge downgrades coming in. So this is the time I would look at some chemical stocks. I would go with Jubilant Ingriva. In the auto sector, Motherson Sumi and Motherson Wiring are looking attractive at these levels. And what else? Real estate, everything has run up. Indiabull Real Estate and Lodha are available at very attractive valuations. Another NBFC which you could buy is M&M Finance. It ran up, now it has corrected. It's a good buy. And the best buys are in the oil and gas sector. I'll give you GAIL, Indian Oil and Reliance. I've given you so many shares. Watch this video, take your pick, bye-bye. But before bye-bye, please buy and buy more if the market falls, because agle Moorat Tak, you'll reap handsome benefit. I wish you, from my side, from the team of Money Speaks with AJ, a very and happy Diwali, a very prosperous one. May all your wishes come true. Bye-bye.